that you can be tuned in to all my upcoming videos. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make some pineapple upside down cake. In this large bowl here, now I'm using two different recipes. I know that sounds crazy, but this calls for a box cake mix and I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do it from scratch. So I got my mom's yellow cake mix, and in this bowl I have 2.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. You don't have to use self-rising. 1 2/3 cups of sugar. 1 1/4 cup of milk. I have a teaspoon of salt. You always put salt in something sweet because it helps to balance out the sweetness. 2/3 of a cup of butter. And now I'm putting 3 eggs in, and I'm going to mix it, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to tell you how to put it all together. So I got done mixing the cake mix, and in this bowl I've already combined a 1/2 cup of butter melted, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. What we're going to do is we're going to take this brown sugar mixture, ooh, I'm getting it on myself, and we're going to put it in the bottom of a greased pan. Now this was it calls for a 9 by 10 or something like that. This is like a 9 by 13. And hopefully this is going to be enough brown sugar. So I'm going to spread it out. This is all going to combine when the cake mix gets in there. And once we get this all spread out to the edges, you don't want it too thick. I mean, you're going to just taste that brown sugar mixed with the cinnamon and the butter with the pineapple. So next we're going to put the pineapple in. What I did was I got a can of pineapple and I drained out the liquid that was in it. And I'm going to place these pieces of pineapple in here. So I'm putting the last piece of pineapple in here, and you can see how I arranged them. I may even get another piece and cut them in half and put them on the edges there. But this is normally how it looks. And then we're going to take maraschino cherries. So what I'm doing is I'm taking these maraschino cherries and I'm putting them in the center of the pineapple, which is on top of the brown sugar mixture. Kind of makes it look pretty. So this is what it looks like after all the cherries have been put in the center of the pineapple slices. And now I'm going to add the cake mix on top of that. So now I'm putting the cake mixture in. Just right on top. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to smooth it out once you get it in. Just want to make sure you get every little bit out because it's important. I like to use this smaller spatula or scraper, because it gets closer to the bowl and gets all the ingredients out. So I got all the batter in, and now I'm going to smooth it out to the edges just like I did with the brown sugar mixture. And once it gets smoothed out, I'm going to try and make it pretty even so that it cooks evenly. And once it gets smoothed out, I'm going to put it in a 3 350 degree oven, and I believe it's 20 minutes that it takes. But I'll check it with a toothpick and make sure that the toothpick comes out clean before I take it out of the oven. Here we go, into the oven. So the cake is out of the oven. It actually took about 30 minutes to completely cook. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I flipped the pan over. Oh, some of the pineapples got left behind, but that's okay. We can fix that. But this is what it looks like once you turn it over. And this has happened to me before, where the pineapple got stuck to the bottom. But that's what it looks like. I can't wait to make a pot of coffee and have a piece of pineapple upside down cake. Too hot to try it now, so. But this is what it looks like. Beautiful, isn't it? I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes, and maybe we'll come back after I make this pot of coffee, and we'll show you what it looks like in pieces, and we'll enjoy some. Mangia.